Hello everyone and welcome back to my video blog. On some of my previous video blog, I have mentioned to how to sell a investment property without having to pay the capital gain. Okay, so it's through the 1031 tax exchange. And there are three types of tax exchange. You have the delayed 1031 tax exchange, which is the most popular. Most people know about it. Okay, the second one is the reverse 1031 tax exchange, and the third one, the improvement 1031 tax exchange. Today, I'm going to talk about the reverse 1031 tax exchange and its advantage over the delayed 1031 tax exchange. And I recently personally closed my first 1031 tax exchange my own. Okay, so I have that experience and I want to share that one with you. Why I used a 1031 tax exchange, the reverse type, is because it removed the stress about the 45 days ID and the 180 days to close, especially the first 45 days to find an appropriate property, to replace the one that you just sold. Right? So the reverse 1031 exchange work this way. You purchase the replacement property before you sell the property you want to exchange. Okay, so instead of selling the property you want to exchange, sell it now, close it, and find the replacement. You find the replacement property, purchase it, close it, and you have 180 days after closing of that replacement property to close on the sale on the replacement property. Okay, so you don't have to scramble around within the first 45 days to find the replacement property. You already have one. Okay, so the only thing you have to just make sure that the price on the replacement property is equal or more than the relinquished property. The relinquished property is mean that the property you intend to exchange, right? It's called a relinquished property. And then the second one is the loan amount on the replacement property has to be equal or more on the balance of your relinquished property. So it shouldn't be a problem because you probably have a lot of equity, so this is not a problem. So after this, the sale on replacement property, your relinquished property is already with a exchange accommodator parked under there with them, and then when you have that property, the linkage property sold, okay, all the funds to get back to you. Just make sure that you remember what I mentioned to you, and then the funds come back to you. Okay, so if you want to know the more detail about the reverse 1031 exchange, the benefit that remove all the stress, you have find a property before you sell your present property. Let's talk. Okay, I have gone through that one myself, so I know all the steps in the process, and love to hear your comments. And until then, you can still email me, text me, call me, and please stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.